Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isapuso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using a RISE technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the second floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isapuso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
as we gather in gratitude for our journey of Bucal Season 6 Men's Basketball Tournament, we invoke your presence to bless our awarding ceremonies. We acknowledge the efforts and dedication poured into every endeavor by all the working staff and participants of Bucal Season 6. Guide our hearts to embrace the lessons learned, the challenges overcome, and the bonds forged. Grant us the wisdom to carry forward the experiences gained as we approach the new season of Bucal come school year 2025-2026. May the memories we cherish this season sustain us through the trials ahead, and may the friendships we've cultivated remain steadfast in the face of time and distance. We offer our gratitude for the opportunities shared, the support received, and the love exchanged. Please continue to bless our sponsors and dedicated and committed staff that they may find fulfillment and meaning in what they do in Bucal. Bless each student athletes with continued strength, resilience, and grace to strive to always be better on and off the court. May the light of understanding and love for sports illuminate our paths, and may the spirit of unity and belongingness inspire us for greatness in all our endeavors. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Hayang mag-ibig, nagsasigatanan, alam ng puso, sa likid mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tulad ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulubi, di ka masisipin, sa nanagang putok sa simulat, sa langit o bangang, ay ginagang tulang, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang masakang matawad mo'y nagtupay na nagtitigil, ang itubig na karot na kailan, ang ay nagtitigil, lumalang araw na walang ipagsikap, mo'y langit sa piling. Ang higaya na pagkay makakapit, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated.
To the awardees,
To the coaches,
to the organizing committee,
to our sponsors,
to the proud parents, administrators, faculty, and staff,
and to all the supporters this season.
welcome to
The Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 6 Awarding Ceremonies. Grabe, it has been an exciting season filled with passion, dedication, and sportsmanship.
That is right, Liz. So tonight, we celebrate the teams, the athletes, and the coaches who have been unforgettable this season. Prepare to relive the highlights and honor the excellence we've witnessed.
Absolutely, Jalo. Grabe, you know what? This season is indeed extra special. From the opening ceremonies to the eliminations, the quarterfinals, the semis, and now we are in the final round of this league. Everything is just one for the books.
Absolutely right. Season 6 is very special. But how about we make this ceremony more special? Because tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest.
Hailing all the way from the Queen City of the South, and a homegrown player who's been studying in Ateneo since grade school, and most recently finished high school at the Sacred Heart School, Ateneo de Cebu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the guard of Ateneo Blue Eagles and the UAAP rookie that has everyone talking, Jared Bahay!
Thank you so much, Mr. Jared Bahay, for once again gracing us with your presence this season. Actually, Jello Jared was with her last season during the opening ceremonies of Bucal Season 5. And now we are very lucky to have him once again. So once again, enjoy the show, Mr. Jared Bahay, and welcome to Bucal Season 6.
Before we proceed, let us introduce the incredible leaders behind Bucal. Please join us in welcoming the Board of Directors and Officers.
Serving as the Board Secretary, we have, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Kyla Gaupo.
Representing the University of Nueva Cáceres, we have Mr. Francisco Para Jr., the Grievance Committee Head, and Mr. Miguel Perez.
From the Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, we have Mr. Dwight Lamit, our Tournament Manager.
Representing the Naga College Foundation, we have Mr. Ruel Rosales and Dr. Mario C. Villanueva.
And of course, our Commissioner and the Executive Director from Ateneo de Naga University. Let's all welcome Mr. Don V. Razon.
And of course, the President of Bucal, also from Ateneo de Naga University, we have Mr. Joseph Eric Claro. Of course, this season would have been possible without the support of our generous sponsors. So maraming salamat. Pocari Sweat, Biggs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and One Media TV 48 Naga. Your contributions have been invaluable.
That's right, Jello, but I guess we are all set to know our awardees for this very special night. Let's now kick off the awards by recognizing the second runner-up for the Juniors Division. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for our second runner-up, the Amando Cope College Green Serpents.
May we invite the players, the coaches, and if there are administrators, faculty, and staff from the school, please join them as they receive their award.
Once again, congratulations to Bucal Season 6, second runner-up of the Juniors Division, the ACC Green Serpents. Bucal Board of Directors to award the medal to our second runner-up. Once again, congratulations to Bucal Season 6, second runner-up for the Juniors Division.
For the Seniors Division, our second runner-up this season is no other than, congratulations, Amando Cope College Green Serpents!
ACC Green Serpents, our second runner-up for the seniors division. Thank you so much, ACC Green Serpents, and of course to our board of directors. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we acknowledge the schools that have graced this court this season. These teams gave their all and enriched the competition.
Each school will receive a trophy of participation. Starting with the juniors team, we have Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation Blue Dolphins.
Congratulations, NCF Blue Dolphins. And of course, the Genesis College Roaring Lions.
Please proceed to the stage to receive your award. Our next participating team for the juniors, we have the System Technology Institute of Naga, or the STI Olympians.
Another participating trophy is to receive by the Unibersidad de Sta Falcons.
Next in line, we have Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights.
We also have the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds.
Our next participating team for the juniors, Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon Panthers.
Up next, we have the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
And to complete the list for our participating teams for the juniors, we have Caraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
Juniors, and of course now we proceed to the seniors division. First on the list we have the University of Nueva Cáceres UNC Greyhounds.
Next in line for the seniors, we have the Camarines Sur Polytechnic College's Stallions.
Polytechnic College Foundation Blue Dolphins.
Next we have System Technology Institute Naga, STI Olympians.
Of Bacon Sorsogon Unit, or the Annunciation Panthers.
Next up, we have the Bucal State College of Applied Science and Technology Spartans.
To complete the list, we have the Unibersidad de Sta USI Falcons. Congratulations, USI Falcons, and of course to all our participating teams this season. We now proceed to one of the highlights of this evening. We have the second Mythical Team Selection, or the Big Star Players of the Year. This is for the Juniors Division, and of course for the Mythical Selection, we will be calling one for each team. This award honors the top 2 players in each team who have shown remarkable skills and sportsmanship this season. Once again, the top 2 or the second best team player in their respective teams.
Tama, Liz. And to give the Big Star Player Award, we are honored to have the brand manager head of Bigs, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Cedric Maestrado, to be joined by Coach Jack, the president of Bucal Season 6. Each player will receive 500 gift checks from Bigs, starting off with Nash Francis Sumadsad of USI Falcons.
Up next, from the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, Ezekiel Francisco.
From Mariners Blue Dolphins, we have John Michael De Leon.
And now, from the STI Naga Olympians, we have Chris John De Los Reyes.
Our next Big Star player is coming from Daraga National High School, Defenders of Faith, Mark Christian De Guzman.
And now, from the University of Nueva Cáceres, UNC Greyhounds, congratulations, Daniel Justin Samorin.
Coming from Ateneo Golden Knights Junior, we have John Constantine Claro.
Now from the ACLC Hawks, we have Rob Lawrence Razon.
Next in line, from Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Panthers, we have John Rick Gobis.
Up next from the ACC Green Serpents, we have Nathan Bongon.
Coming from the Naga College Foundation Cubs, R.D. Vargas.
our 12 big star players, we have from the Genesis College Roaring Lions, Carl Axel Abache.
We now proceed to the big star players for the seniors division. First in line from STI Naga Olympians, Jo Luis Barredo.
Blue Dolphins, we have Ace Merenciano.
From the CSPC Stallions, we have Felix Andrew Dea.
And now, from the USI Falcons, John Michael Veloso.
From the UNC Greyhounds, Adrian Bachancela.
Up next from the Visca Spartans, Edimuel Coral. Up next from the Ateneo Golden Knights, John Rodney Fulgar.
From the Naga College Foundation Tigers, EJ Palillo.
And from the ACC Green Serpents, Grant Carl Galvez.
And to complete the big stars player for the seniors, we have from Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon, Mark Ernest Fajardo. Congratulations to the big star players. Thank you, Sir Cedric, and Bigs. Thank you so much, Sir Jack Claro.
Moving on to the first Mythical team selection for the Juniors Division. These players represent the pinnacle of talent the top performing players in each team. Again, we will be calling the top performing players of their respective teams. Starting with the USI Falcons, Carmelo Anthony Gravata.
Each player will receive a medal and 500 gift checks from Biggs. May we invite Sir Claro to give the award and the players to come on stage to receive the award. From Pasacao Academy White Tigers, we have Andrew Escano. Averaging 10.3 points. He's the top player for Pasacao Academy.
Up next, we have the MPCF Blue Dolphins, Paul Angelo Beltran.
With an average points of 16.1 per game, rebounds per game of 4.5, assists per game of 3.2, and steal per game of 2.7.
Naga Olympians, Jolan Ray de Los Angeles.
Averaging 13 points per game, a rebound of 5.6 per game, and an assist of 1.8 and 2 steals per game.
The DNHS Defenders of Faith, Robert Bayani.
With an average points per game of 20.3, rebounds per game of 8.3, assists per game of 4.3, and steals per game of 3.3.
And now from the UNC Greyhounds, Kenshin Alano.
Averaging 6 points per game with a rebound of 7.7 and assist per game of 2.4 along with steals of 2.5.
Up next from the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, Joseph Yap.
With an average point of 6.5 per game, rebound per game of 4.6, and an assist of 0.6 and steal of 0.8 per game.
And from the ACLC Hawks, we have John Bernard Basagre.
With an average point of 14.7 per game, rebound of 5 per game, assist of 1.7 per game, and steals of 1.9 per game.
From the Annunciation Panthers, James Brian Destura.
Averaging 9.9 points per game with a rebounds of 5.2 per game plus 2.6 assists per game with steals of 3.2 per game.
Matrona.
Averaging 13.8 points per game with a rebound of 5.4 per game, assist of 1.9 per game, and steals per game of 4.8.
Now, from the NCF Cubs, we have John Benedict Borromeo.
With an average points per game of 16.1, rebounds of 4.5, assists 3.2, and steals of 2.7 per game.
Last and not the least, we have from the Genesis College Roaring Lions, Ryan Ganahan.
Averaging 15.4 points per game with a rebound of 5.1, steal of 2, and assist of 2.1 per game.
Once again, congratulations to our first Mythical team selection for the Juniors Division.
For our Mythical 10, coming from STI Olympians, we have Russell Percy.
With a stats of 9 points per game, 8.87 rebounds per game, 1 assist per game, and 0.50 steals per game.
We would like once again to thank the following sponsor.
We have Bucal Sweat,
Bigs,
Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and One Media TV-48-Naga.
We also have Ngo and Sons and 3GX Solutions. Thank you so much. Our next Mythical 10, coming from Mariners Blue Dolphins, we have James Rason.
With a stats of 12.87 points per game, 7.5 rebounds per game, 0.75 assists per game, and of course 3.50 steals per game.
Coming from CSPC Stallions, common stage, Noel Ateneo.
With 14.25 points per game, 2.37 rebounds per game, 1.62 assists per game, and of course 1.87 steals per game.
Next in line from USI Falcons, we have Julard Asibor.
With 17.37 points per game, 2.75 rebounds per game, 5.5 assists per game, and of course 3.5 steals per game.
Our next player is coming from the UNC Greyhounds. We have Nico Andre Caronan.
With 15.75 points per game, 7 rebounds per game, 1.62 assists per game, and of course 1.25 steals per game.
Next in line, we have from Discussed Spartans, Clint Bosito.
With a stats of 12.25 points per game, 4.87 rebounds per game, 3.5 assists per game, and of course 2.37 steals per game.
Our next player is coming from Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Solomon Aureliano.
With a stats of 14.12 points per game, 4.50 rebounds per game, 3.62 assists per game, and 2.12 steals per game.
And from the NCF Tigers, we have Justin San Gabriel.
With 13.62 points per game, 2.75 rebounds per game, 1.62 assists per game, and 3.25 steals per game.
Next in line, we have from the ACC Green Serpents, John Nico Nagar.
With 15.75 points per game, 7 rebounds per game, 2.87 assists per game, and 2 steals per game.
And to complete the Mythical 10 for the Seniors Division, we have from the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Panthers, Mark Brian Almine, to be received by Dr. Maria Jean Dinida, the sports coordinator of the said school.
With 16.87 points per game, 10.50 rebounds per game, 2.37 assists per game, and 3.12 steals per game. Once again, congratulations to our top 10 Mythical selections, or the top performing players of their respective teams. Next up is our very special award, the Dark Horse Team Award. This recognizes the team that rose from Division 2 to the semifinals with exemplary performance.
The Dark Horse team will receive a trophy. For our Juniors Division, our Dark Horse Team Award goes to none other than Taraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
Congratulations, Defenders of Faith, our Dark Horse for the Juniors Division. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Dark Horse of the Seniors Division is none other than the USI Falcons! Once again, congratulations to the Seniors Division Dark Horse, none other than the USI Falcons.
Congratulations to this rising team. No, they definitely surprised us this season. At this point, we now come to the Sportsmanship Award. The Sportsmanship Award goes to the players who competed with honor and without incurring any technical fouls. Congratulations to Andre Legaspi of UNC Greyhounds. Congratulations, Mr. Andre Legaspi. We now come to the Defensive Player of the Year. The Defensive Player of the Year will receive a trophy and a medal. We will also awarding a sportsmanship award to the juniors division. Mark Christian de Guzman of Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Congratulations to our recipients of the Sportsmanship Award. Now we come to the Defensive Player of the Year. Each will receive a trophy and a medal, starting with our defensive player from juniors. Coming from ACLC, we have Converge Guarin.
With 19.40 rebounds per game, 4.40 steals per game, and of course, congratulations, ACLC Hawks.
And for our recipient for the Defensive Player of the Year for the Seniors Division, we have none other than from Amando Cope College, Grant Carl Galvez.
With 10.50 rebounds per game, 6.25 steals per game, and of course 1.50 blocks per game. Congratulations, our Defensive Players of the Year. We now proceed to our Best School Crowd. This award goes to the school that demonstrated unwavering support throughout the season. Let's hear it for the crowd favorites, ACLC and Genesis College.
May we invite representatives from ACLC to receive their award, after which the Genesis College.
Once again, congratulations, ACLC Hubs. We would like to invite once again the Genesis College Rowing Lions to receive your award.
And now, for the highly anticipated Most Valuable Player or the MVP Award, this season's MVPs were selected based on overall statistics and unmatched contributions to their teams. Sa mga tatawagin po namin, please proceed on stage along with our board directors, and the selected MVP will have to come to the platform in the middle. Our 5 nominees in no particular order for the Juniors Division. We have the first one coming from NCF Tigers, John Benedict Borromeo.
Up next, you are also nominated to be this season's MVP. From the USA Falcons, Carmelo Anthony Grabata.
Our third nominee for this season for the MVP in Juniors Division from Daraga National High School, Robert Bayani.
You are also nominated John Bernard Basagre of the ACLC Hawks.
To complete our nominees, we have from ACC, Junmar Madrona.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, these 5 individuals are the nominees for the season's most valuable player for the Juniors Division.
And your MVP for Juniors Division in Bucal Season 6, let's give it up to Robert Bayani of Daraga National High School, Defenders of Faith. Please receive your plaque and come up to the platform.
Once again, congratulations, Robert Bayani of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, our Juniors Division Season's MVP. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to the nominees for the most valuable player for the Seniors Division. Again, they were selected based on overall statistics and match contributions to their teams. And of course, making them to be qualified to be our next season's MVP. To all our nominees, please rise to be acknowledged and recognized. First on the list, our nominee for the most valuable player of the year, from the UNC Greyhounds, Nico Andre Peronan.
Next in line, our nominee for the MVP for the Seniors Division, we have coming from CSPC Stallions, Noel Atanasio.
Up next, our next nominee is from the Annunciation Panthers, Mark Brian Almine.
In behalf of Almine, we have Dr. Maria Jean Denida, the Sports Coordinator of Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon. Our next nominee is coming from ACC Green Serpents, John Nico Nagar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to complete the list of our nominees for the season's MVP, we have from the USA Falcons, Charlotte Ateneo!
And your Seniors Division MVP of Bucal Season 6, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mark Brian Almine.
With stats of 16.87 points per game, 10.50 rebounds per game, 2.37 assists per game, and 3.12 steals per game.
And once again, on behalf of Mark Brian Almine, the crowd is going wild because Dr. Maria Jean Benida, the sports coordinator, is receiving the plaque on his behalf. Thank you so much, ma'am, for traveling all the way from Sorsogon, back on Sorsogon.
Once again, congratulations, Mark Brian Almine of the Annunciation Panthers, our Season 6 MVP. Wow, grabe, Shelo. Pero ito, our next award is really jaw-dropping because we will be awarding the best coaches of the season. Our best coaches of the season have been instrumental in their respective teams and were chosen for their leadership and team achievements.
The coaches of the season shall be receiving trophies, plaque, and 1,000 gift check from Bigs. So for our best coach of the season for the juniors division, we have from Naga College Foundation Cubs, Alvin John Margallo.
Once again, congratulations, Coach Alwin John Margallo of the NCF Cubs, our best coach of the season for the juniors division. And now, Bicolandia, your best coach of the season for the seniors division is none other than from the USA Falcons, Coach Christopher Espinosa! Once again, let's give it up for the Season 6 Best Coach of the Season for the Seniors Division, Coach Tope Espinosa of the USA Falcons!
Congratulations once again to our awardees this season. Before we close, we'd like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a success.
We would like to thank our maintenance and technical staff,
The Bucal live stream partner, the Oragon Sports crew,
the SBP Naga elite referees,
the dedicated photographers,
and of course our dear volunteers Its assistants, logistic teams, gators, commentators, courtside reporters, and of course our medic groups from the Ateneo de Naga University, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, and of course the Naga College Foundation. Thank you so much.
Indeed, your hard work and passion behind the scenes have truly made a difference. So once again, isang masigabong palakpakan sa buong staff ng Bucal Season 6!
Your hard work and passion behind the scenes have truly made a difference. So now, as we close this chapter of Bucal Season 6, we celebrate the victories, camaraderie, and sportsmanship that define this league.
And huwag na natin patagalin pa. Alam ko, inaabangan nyo na ang Game 2 ng NCF Ateneo. So ito na, maraming salamat and see you for the Game 2 of the finals of Bucal Season 6!